What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. Likely whatever is in this box was sent by the manufacturer, so just wanted to get that out of the way first. You guys will know in your time because you'll be able to see the thumbnail, and I'm going to put the box of whatever it is in the thumbnail. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this and find out what's in here. Go ahead and make my usual graceful cut with the utmost skill and precision. Had a lot of practice, so I know what I'm doing. And we have a... Okay, guys, so I'm not the first person to show this knife, but what you're about to see is a prototype from Damned Designs. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. I'm really, really excited about this. Oh, very cool. So this, and I hope that I'm pronouncing this correctly. This is the prototype Wendigo. Ooh, nice. Okay, so now I'm going to get some more information here and talk about this some more, but I talked with the gentleman who is, the head of this company, and he asked me about, the blade designs, and he had a bunch of different blade designs, and he said, what should I go with? And this was my honest response. We have so many drop points, we have so many, common, and I say that lightly, common blade shapes, that my eyes, being somebody who has, collected knives and traded knives and just, been a fan of knives for a long time, my eyes gravitate towards blades that look interesting and unique. And sometimes my sense of utility will go out the window. And whereas sometimes I make purchase decisions based on how utilitarian something looks, a lot of times that is just blown completely out of the water by how attractive something is. And now the nice thing about this blade shape, which it's like a modified tanto that looks kind of like a scrape, it looks like it could have a nice scraper tip on it. But the nice thing about this is the blade shape is very different from what we see out there. And that's why I was so excited to get my hands on this. I love the simple design, and I love that super cool, unique blade shape. As far as I know, he plans on doing different blades, but I will get more information from this about this knife and about Damned Designs for you guys when we do the actual overview of this. But I wanted to, I was really excited to get this so I could get my organic impressions of this knife. You'll see there, this prototype is an S35V, and I believe the actual ones when they come out will be M390. But really, really nice looking. Really like that blade. Can't wait to talk about this. Hope you guys are as excited as I am. That's going to be pretty much it for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there is definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.